Jai Hind students. So today I am starting with question number 4 of exercise 6.4. So this is the question कि if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. What you are given? You are given two similar triangles. Let the triangles are ABC and PQR. These are the two triangles ABC and PQR, and they are similar. What they are given? कि they are similar. And one more thing is given there कि their areas are also equal. यानी area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. These two things are given. The first thing is given कि the triangles are similar. Okay, and the second thing is कि their areas are equal. And we have to prove that कि both the triangles are congruent. यानी triangle ABC is congruent to PQR. This we have to prove. Now, since it is given कि triangle ABC is similar to PQR, then their corresponding sides will be proportional. When two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional and the corresponding angles are equal. So since the triangles are similar, therefore this side AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. This will be equation first. And one more thing is there, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of their sides. So like also area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be equal to AB square upon PQ square. AB square upon PQ square. So now this is equation first and this is equation second. Combine them, what we will get? Area of triangle ABC or area of triangle PQR. This will be equal to AB square and AB is equal to AC square upon PR square and BC square upon QR square. So what will happen from equation first and second? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be AB square upon PQ square is equal to AC square upon PR square is equal to BC square upon QR square. Suppose this is equation number 3. It's okay. Now coming to the area of the triangles. It is given that the area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. दोनों के एरिया क्या हैं? इक्वल हैं. तो therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be 1. और 1 कैसे होगा? Just look here. Let the area of triangle ABC is 10. Okay, and then the area of triangle PQR, that also will be 10. So 10 upon 10 is 1. Therefore we can say area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. And this is equation number 4. Now from equation 3 and 4, what will happen? कि AB square upon PQ square is equal to AC square upon PR square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to 1, because area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. Is it there? Now just look at this. Now AB square upon PQ square is equal to 1. AB square upon PQ square is equal to 1. Therefore AB square will be equal to PQ square and then AB will be equal to PQ. AB will be equal to PQ. Similarly, when we will equal BC square upon QR square is equal to 1, then BC is equal to QR and AC will be equal to PR. So similarly we can say BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. Now just look at in these two triangles. Now in triangle ABC and PQR, AB is equal to PQ. Here we have proved. BC is equal to QR. Also it is proved. And AC is equal to PR. It is also proved. These three things are already proved. So therefore by SSS rule triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, so in this way we can prove that कि both the triangles are congruent. Now this is question number 3rd कि in the figure ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. This one ABC and DBC. These are the two triangles on the same base BC. So what you have to prove? If AD intersects BC at O, this AD intersect BC at point O, then you have to prove कि area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. This you have to prove. You are given two triangles ABC and DBC. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle DBC. Okay. So now this is my construction part. कि draw this dotted line AM perpendicular to BC and DN also perpendicular to BC. What is our construction part? Draw AM perpendicular BC and DN perpendicular BC. Now just look at these two triangles. In triangle AOM and DON. AOM and DON. DON. This is DON. What is this? DON. It is there. Now just look here. This angle AMO is equal to DNO, which is 90 degree by construction. This is how much it is? 90 degree. And by construction. Again, angle AOM is equal to angle DON. That is vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by angle similarity rule, triangle AOM will be congruent to DON. Triangle which one? DON. DON. Is it there? Therefore, by CPST, this AM perpendicular upon perpendicular, AM upon DN will be equal to this side AO upon DO. So what will happen? CPST AM upon DN is equal to AO upon DO. Because when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So therefore, perpendicular upon perpendicular is equal to hypotenuse upon hypotenuse. That's AM upon DN is equal to AO upon DO. Okay. Now, coming with area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC. So, area of triangle is given by half base into height. This is half, base is BC into AM. And area of triangle, this one, BDC. Area of triangle BDC. So, again, half into base is BC into DN. Half into BC into DN. So this 1 upon 2 is cancelled. BC is cancelled. Here we left AM upon DN. AM upon DN. This is equation number 2nd. So what will happen? Now from equation 1 and 2, this AM upon DN can be replaced with AO upon DO. यहाँ पे क्या था? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDC, that will be equal to AM upon DN, and AM upon DN is equal to AO upon DO. This was in equation number 1. On combining first and second, what we will get? From first and second, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BDC, this will be how much? AO upon DO, and the result is proved. Now this is question number 5. It is given that D, E and F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB respectively. ठीक है? Respectively of a triangle ABC. You are given any triangle ABC in which D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, and F is the midpoint of AB. And question is this: find the ratio of the triangle DEF and triangle ABC. ये जो triangle which is formed by joining the midpoints, this triangle DEF and ABC. So we have to find the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. So now just look here. By the midpoint theorem, since E and F are the midpoints, so if you will join them, so just remember the midpoint theorem of class 9. The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides is parallel to third side and half of it. Half of it क्या होता है इसमें? ये किन्हीं भी दो साइड के किसी ट्रायंगल में अगर हम किन्हीं भी दो साइड के मिड पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करें तो उससे जो लाइन सेगमेंट बनता है वो थर्ड लाइन सेगमेंट के पैरेलल, थर्ड साइड के पैरेलल और उसकी लेंथ के हाफ होता है. तो बाय मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम दिस E and F are the midpoints. So when we will join them, this EF will be parallel to BC and EF will be equal to half of BC. EF will be equal to half of BC. Similarly, this DE will be parallel to AB and DE is equal to half of AB. And this DF will be parallel to AC and DF is equal to half of AC. By the virtue of midpoint theorem, we can write this. Now just look here. Now DE upon AB, this will be equal to 1 upon 2. Now DF upon AC, again 1 upon 2, and EF upon BC, again 1 upon 2. So then what is the result here? Just look, DE upon AB 1 upon 2, DF upon AC 1 upon 2 and EF upon BC 1 upon 2. It means DE upon AB is equal to DF upon AC is equal to EF upon BC. So it means by SSS rule, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. What happens? When two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. So since the sides are proportional, then by the triple S rule, triangle DEF will be similar to triangle ABC. And now the area of the triangle DEF and area of the triangle ABC, that will be equal to DE upon AB whole square from the similar area theorem. Okay, area of similar triangles theorem. What will happen? Area of DEF upon area of triangle ABC will be equal to DE upon AB whole square, and DE upon AB it is given 1 upon 2. Here we can also write 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 whole square, that is 1 upon 4. Therefore area of triangle DEF ratio area of triangle ABC will be 1:4. 1:4. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.